Let's face it, being a parent is never easy. You worry about all the things for your kids. You're worried, are they getting enough nutrition, getting enough sleep? Are they in enough activities? All the things, right? I can guarantee you that both you and I have overlooked one important element that affects your daily lives. But it's not just you and I think a lot of people. And this one key element affects the growth and their brain development every single day. And what is it, are you wondering? It's water. Today's water is filled with forever chemicals, pharmaceuticals, PFAs, lead, all of it. And all of it is bad. And in some places like San Diego, they recycle the drinking water. Ew. This not only affects their development, their health, maybe even the length of their life. But what if I told you that there was a solution that can filter up to 99% of harmful chemicals, PSFAs, lead, all of the harmful things that you want out of your growing kids' water, and of course your water. And what if I told you it's not only affordable, but it's also sustainable? It's perfect for on-the-go families like you and I, people who want to go out and have adventures but not feel constricted by making healthier choices, especially when they're out. Therefore, families with busy lifestyles, people who have kids who are in activities, go to practice, and sometimes you just need a better option at your hands' fingertips. And I know my kids are in good hands when they have their Epic water bottle. Let me show you what I got in mine. Epic water bottles come in 3 different styles. They have glass with a silicone barrier for extra protection, and they are amazing in durability. I have glass water bottles with that extra silicone barrier. I've had great luck even with dropping them. They are still intact, no cracks, no breaking, so that is great. They also come in plastic, which is for everyday use, especially some schools do not allow stainless steel water bottles. I myself and my family prefer to stay away from plastics, and glass is always a great option, but because I have a few, I wanted to try stainless steel. Stainless steel is always durable, long-lasting, and safe. Directions on how to use a water bottle and the great filtration. These again are called Epic water bottles. They are made in the USA. Oh, and they feel so sturdy, so strong. I just love the grasp of it. There's a silicone end on it so that it won't tip over, fall, or break. It'll be great on gym floors. I love that the base is a little bit wider than the top, so it's easy to grasp with your hand. Safe on the go. This is a 34 ounce, it's 1,000 mLs. This is 100% BPA-free. It's phthalate-free, and it has double wall stainless steel for better insulation to keep those drinks cool for out your activities or whatever you gotta go. Whether you're in an activity or a mom on a go, you need to have an Epic water filter. So this particular model, it removes up 70 plus tap water contaminants. It's also independently third-party tested, so you know what you're getting works. It removes 99.99 waste contaminants. Each filter replaces up to 550 single-use plastic water bottles. I think this is incredible. And let's see, the top, it has a silicone drinking spout that you just use it. I love this little clip, a little bit fancy. And you just twist it open. And it's a shorter straw. These two filters. On these filters, there's a lock and unlock. I love how it says Made in America. And then there's a secondary one as well. Now about both of these filters, they're made in the USA, which I love. These are 2 different water filters for the Epic filtration system. This one is for tap water only. It's going to filter out about 70 contaminants. So this is going to be ideal for your indoor adventures when you're going to an amusement park, maybe when they do have some filtered water spouts around the park that you need to fill up, water stations, but you're still not sure about the quality of the filter or if it's been changed. Go to museums, they have water stations where you can fill up your water bottle. This is what you're going to want to take. But when you're on the go, outdoors, alive in nature, maybe near a stream, this is the one you're gonna wanna take. This one has core exchange technology. Adapts for indoor and outdoor uses. And this is perfect for when you go traveling. We just took a trip to India, and this is ideal when you go to foreign countries and you're not sure of the water and how they treat it. You're gonna wanna take this one, and you're gonna wanna treat it change it every 3 to 4 months. But if you're on a trip and you've been gone for over a month like we have, I would say just get a new one. It's affordable, your health is worth it. This particular filter filters out 200 contaminants. So even if you're not an outdoor filter, I'm going to show you some of the water fountains at my kids' basketball place. I would say I would use this all the time, especially for my kids. I don't mess around with their health, and neither should you. How you're going to want to assemble. If you get there wherever you go, the best filter in my opinion, you're just going to tell you lock, it's going to tell you lock, unlock, and then you put the straw firmly inside, attach it back to this main spout like so. And you are ready to go. That easy. 1, 2, 3 on the go. Now, if you want a different filtration system, so you take off the top of this one like so, put it on this. This is going to be the tap water only indoor use. You have a trusted source that you know. You may want to just filter out the pharmaceuticals or forever chemicals that you're not sure exactly how many are remaining. This is the one you're going to want to do. And it goes